Imagine pedaling 80 kilometers, sweating like a caffeinated camel, and still having to dry your bib shorts without using a tree branch that'll poke through your chamois. Stay with me. Your bikepacking laundry game is about to level up. Hey everyone, it's Handman here, your friendly neighborhood cyclist, bikepacking addict, and professional sock squeezer. Today we're taking a look at the Sea to Summit Clothesline. The tiny, mighty, zero peg wonder that keeps your gear dry even when you're living out of a frame bag. So this little gadget is basically a packable clothesline that weighs next to nothing. 25 grams. Seriously, it's lighter than your last excuse for not washing your jersey. It uses built-in beads instead of clothespins, so you're not fumbling around trying to hook things up while your hands are shaking from that last gravel climb. So why do gravel bikers and bike packers love this? First, size. It packs smaller than a gel pack. And unlike a gel pack, it won't explode in your pocket at 35 degrees C. Second, easy setup. 2 loops, 2 anchors, bang, instant laundry station. Between trees, bikes, poles, posts, handlebars. It's more versatile than that multi-tool you keep bragging about. Third, the beads. Slide your gear between the beads, hold them in place, and you're all set, even if it's windy. And if that breeze becomes a surprise thunderstorm, you're all set. Yeah, your socks might be wet, but at least they're still there. So how do you use it? And all we do, we're going to take it out. We've got over 11 feet of cord here. And one end is going to go around one pole or tree or handlebar. And let's say it's this end. You click it under like that, and you're going to pull that tight. That's the first step. So at the other end, you've got 2 items. You have the hook, similar to the first side, and you have this adjuster that lets you, lock in, and it has a locking mechanism in it, so that when you lock it, it doesn't move anymore, and that's the other end, right? So that gives you a bit of flexibility, and if I unlock it, it goes all the way to the first knot to here. So you have that much room to adjust the other end that you're going to attach to a pole or lamppost or anything solid. So that's the 2 ends. To hang some clothes. So there's a couple of ways to do it. One is, it's double corded all the way along. And they've got all these little pegs instead of clothes pegs. You just squish it on the item that you want to hold till it grabs it. And you could do that. And this would blow in the wind and dry. And if you didn't have too many items to hang, you could get a little more creative and hang kind of, both ends of the clothes up. Let's say I had the other end here of this t-shirt, and then it would spread it out and dry quicker. Space out your gear for maximum airflow, for maximum laundry quick dryness. And if you're washing bibs, hang them upside down. You'll thank me later. So I've hung socks, gloves, jerseys, bibs, all the things that I have. My campsite looks like a thrift bike shop. The pros. 1, it's ultra light. Your scale will hardly even notice it. 2, it's pegless, because losing clothes pegs is a universal truth, right up there with death and taxes. 3, it's easy to hang anywhere. It has a reflective cord, so you can find your gear at night. 1 con, it's so small that if you forget where you packed it, it's gone like a ninja. The other con, your friends will want to borrow it permanently. So if you want to keep your gear dry, your pack light, and your campsite or spot at an agriturismo looking organized, the Sea to Summit Clothesline is the way to go. So subscribe and let me know in the comments what's the weirdest thing you've hung to dry. So may your socks always be dry and your climbs forever easy. This is Handman saying I'll see you in the next video.